Hi, I'm Chris Barrow, Senior Product Manager for Loudspeakers at Biamp, and I'm here at InfoComm to tell you about our latest and greatest developments with our LVH-900 loudspeaker. This has always been a beam-forming point source loudspeaker. The thing we've done this year is we've transformed this from a simple beam-forming speaker into a fully steerable point source loudspeaker. I like to refer to it as a 140 dB steerable column with great, huge bass. You can use these as a single cabinet, hang it with a U-bracket like you would any other point source. It's also arrayable. We have array plates. You can put 2 of them, 3 of them together. These are great for stadiums, end zone systems, but more importantly, these are actually designed to go in spaces where line arrays shouldn't. We have a lot of low ceiling houses of worship and auditoriums and theaters where we're putting in line arrays blocking sight lines. This being a horn-loaded speaker at only 39 inches tall, is able to control pattern down to 400 hertz, which will require a line array 5 or 6 cabinets tall. This is much smaller, better sight lines, and by the way, buying one of these costs a whole lot less than it does to buy a line array that would do an equivalent job. But even better, we've actually have a automated software now where you can do the aiming, we auto-equalize the system for you, and then you just have one button push, and it pushes out a full speaker file that goes to our ALC amplifiers. So you can take one speaker, position it in one spot in your room, and have as many different FIR steered configurations as you like. On the screen we're showing now, we have a room that has a sloped floor and a balcony. Well, we're skipping the balcony and avoiding the ceiling, just getting the energy onto the lower floor. If we want to cover the whole room, we just recall a different preset, and all of those speaker files are automatically put out, and they're sitting there in your ALC. So you can design as many systems as you want on your screen ahead of time, and when you get to a site, you simply pull up all of the variations you have, figure out what works best, and if it's not perfect on the site, you can adjust it further on site. Because it's all automated, it only takes about 5 minutes to develop from scratch into a complete system. LVH does what nothing else does on the planet, making asymmetrical coverage, so we're covering every seat evenly, we're avoiding areas like stages and ceilings and walls where you don't want sound bouncing off of. LVH single cabinet is about 136 dB continuous output, and 2 of them we're getting well over 140 decibels of output. So terrific product, super proud of it. The insides, we have 4 12-inch woofers, 4 high-frequency drivers, and 3 high compression mid-range drivers. So that's the LVH-900, and if you want to learn more, please come visit us at biamp.com.